nervous. I mean, I guess it can't, I mean, guys typically are in those sort of scenes.
It all started on May 23, 2016, when Amber Heard filed for divorce from Johnny Depp while accusing him of physical abuse. In an op-ed in 2018, she referred to her as a public figure embodying domestic abuse. As a result, Johnny filed a defamation suit against her, which Amber countersued. Vasquez, the Wonder Woman's lawyer, called her out for lies and her act of sobbing without tears. The case, which began in early April, ended on June 1 with a verdict that awarded Johnny more than $10 million and Amber $2 million for her countersuit, despite the fact that she was proven guilty. In 2011, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard met on the set of The Rum Diary. Following their separation from their spouses, they married in 2015 on a private island in the Bahamas, as they were completely charmed with each other. Heard filed for divorce and a restraining order only after 15 months, ruining his life and robbing him of many of his key roles, including the most renowned Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean film franchise. She ruined him by unfairly characterizing him as a villain. There is an abuser in this courtroom, and that is not Mr. Depp. And there is a victim of domestic abuse in this courtroom, but it is not Miss Heard. This is what Depp's lawyer stated during the closing arguments, which were presented on May 27, 2022, exactly 6 years after he was accused of domestic abuse. Within 7 weeks, Johnny's lawyer, Camille Vasquez, had become one of the internet's favorites. She called out Amber Heard for faking her tears. During the closing arguments, she said, she came into this room prepared to give the performance of her life, and she gave it. She gave this statement with the proof of the testimony from Amber's acting coach, Christina Sexton, who worked with her for over 7 years. She said that she was able to tell if Amber was crying for real or just faking it. During the trial, which was held in Fairfax County Circuit Courthouse in Virginia, a pre-recorded testimony was played through which Sexton let the court know that she has often seen Amber crying during the sessions. Heard sobbing without tears while describing the facts of the alleged abuse was all a ruse, according to Vasquez. During the trial, Amber was seen breaking down in tears when she was explaining how Johnny sexually assaulted her with a liquor bottle. She gave disturbing details about how he threatened to kill her. She turned out to be ingenious while giving her testimony. Even U.S. commentator Cooper Lawrence said, "I always believe women." Except then there is Amber Heard. She went against Amber for making false claims. Vasquez claimed that Amber tipped off the paparazzi on May 27, 2016, the day she filed a complaint about physical abuse so they could photograph her injured face, which appeared days after she last saw Depp. Her lies have been revealed in court several times. She was even caught tampering with the evidence that was provided to the court. Several images were shown that indicated redness and swelling on Amber's face, which she claimed was caused by Depp throwing a phone at her. However, witnesses and police officers stated that she had no noticeable marks on her face at that time. In response to Vasquez's queries, she said she covered bruises with makeup and swelling with ice. A metadata specialist then confirmed that the bruised shot had gone through some photo editing software applications. Amber accused him of vandalizing a trailer in Hicksville, but the property manager testified in his defense. Christy Dombrowski, Depp's sister, claims that she overheard Amber calling the actor an old fat man, which is ironic for someone who was named People's Sexiest Man Alive. One of the most important witnesses for Depp was his ex-girlfriend Kate Moss, who refuted Amber's claims that Johnny assaulted her during their relationship. During the trial, Amber revealed that Depp had assaulted her in the past. She accused him of being envious of her and of assaulting her. In 2015, she accused him of repeatedly assaulting her, leaving her with numerous injuries, which Depp disputed. He claimed she was the one who abused him, claiming she slashed his finger with a vodka bottle and gave him a black eye. Even phone recordings of Amber admitting to punching Depp was made public. Amber was described as a violent and unpleasant woman by multiple witnesses. According to reports, the $7 million obtained from Johnny Depp following the divorce was to be donated to the American Civil Liberties Union and a children's hospital in Los Angeles. But she never did, blaming Depp for her inability to donate because he had initiated the lawsuit. Vasquez brilliantly brought up the fact that Heard had all the 13 months before being sued. Chief Operating Officer of the American Civil Liberties Union testified that $1.3 million had been donated in Heard's name overall, including $350,000 directly from her, $100,000 from Depp.